Welcome to Cooking Simply Delicious. This cherry cheesecake cupcake is so delicious and easy to make. You will love this creamy cherry cheesecake cupcake with a sweet fresh picked cherry and a delicious filling and of course a buttery cracker crust. Cherry season is here at last, my favorite time of the year. Cherry season. Come, let's pick up some cherries. The perfect way to spend an afternoon. Nothing says summer sunshine like a basket full of freshly picked cherries. I'm so excited. Let's begin. Let's pick cherries. Peak season cherries are full of juice and they can stain. So, cover up.
On a medium-high heat temperature, let's add 1 cup of fresh cherries, 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and lastly, add 1/2 squeeze of lemon juice. Let's mix all together and simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. And once it's thickened, you can lower the heat. Simmer for 20 minutes. Moving on, let's make the cupcake crust. One cup of crust crackers, 5 tablespoons of melted butter, and 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar. Mix all together. Then, let's place on a baking cupcake cups. Bake for 15 minutes in 350 degrees. After simmering the cherries for 20 minutes, let's put in a bowl and add 1 teaspoon of vanilla and set aside. Meanwhile, let's check the baked cupcake crust and cool it down while making our cupcake filling. 1 cup of cream cheese. Mix well. Then, add 1/4 cup of sour cream. Also, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. Mix all together. Next, let's add 1 egg. And lastly, 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Mix all together. Yes! It's time to build our cherry cheesecake cupcakes, and I can't wait! Let's bake for about 20 minutes in a 350 degrees. Then cool it down. It's ready! Mouth-watering.
This creamy cheesecake cupcake with a sweet cherries, and you have a dessert that's sure to please. Your loved ones and friends will love our inventive twist on classic cherry cheesecake cupcakes. Let's enjoy! Thank you for watching. For more cooking and simply delicious recipes, don't forget to subscribe. Till next time.